Overspray prevention for exterior house painting starts with planning so paint never reaches neighbors or landscaping. When using sprayers, choose controlled low-pressure systems and match the tip size to the coating to reduce atomization and produce larger droplets that fall more predictably. Set the pressure at the minimum that still provides good flow and test on a scrap surface until the pattern is even. Establish containment by attaching heavy gauge plastic sheeting to the house and neighboring structures using tape that will not tear, paint, and anchor the bottom with weighted drop cloths to prevent gusts from lifting barriers. Schedule painting for forecasted low wind days and work during cooler parts of the day when thermal drafts are minimal to limit drift. Notify neighbors at least 24 hours in advance and ask them to move vehicles and cover exposed plants with breathable fabric or plastic secured at the base to avoid trapping moisture. When working near windows, trim, or delicate plants, use a back rolling approach where you spray a short distance away and immediately follow with a roller to embed paint and remove the finest particles, which also reduces the need for heavy containment in tight zones. Wear high-quality respiratory protection and keep a tack rag and a microfiber cloth on hand for immediate cleanup of any fine mist that settles on unintended surfaces. Common mistakes include using too high a pressure, which creates a fine mist that travels easily. Lower the pressure and increase tip size to maintain coverage without creating drift. Another frequent issue is inadequate containment, where light, plastic, and loose drop cloths fail in gusty conditions. Use heavier plastic, secure edges with weights, and overlap seams by at least 6 inches so barriers stay intact. A third concern is poor timing, such as painting in the heat of the day or during variable winds. Always consult a reliable hourly wind forecast and start early in the morning when wind is calm and temperatures are moderate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like exterior painting by helping people find local professionals and post-project needs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and painters share tips and local experiences so we all reduce overspray risks together.